Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to round off the corners of any image. This simple adjustment can completely transform your design, making it feel more polished and professional. And once you learn it, you'll never go back to those blocky edges again. Alright, step 1. Click on the image you want to edit. Just a single click, nothing fancy. The moment you do, a toolbar appears right above your design. Think of this toolbar as your mini control panel. It's where all the quick edits hide. This toolbar makes it super easy to apply changes to your image, saving you time while you work on your design. Now in the toolbar, look for an option called Corner Rounding. If you don't see it right away, slow down and scan carefully. It's nestled between some of the other edit icons. Once you spot it, click it. This is where the magic happens. A slider pops up, and as soon as you drag it to the right, your image corners start to curve. Keep dragging, and those corners get rounder and rounder. Take it all the way to the max, and boom, your rectangle can actually turn into a circle, as long as your image is square-shaped. If it's more of a rectangle, it'll stay rounded but stretched like a pill shape. This is perfect for creating icons, logos, or even images that need a unique touch for your Shopify store or social media posts. And here's the cool part. You don't have to commit to one extreme. Stop anywhere along that slider, and you can choose exactly how soft or dramatic you want those corners to look. A little curve feels subtle and professional, perfect for product images or minimalistic designs. A full curve feels bold and playful, great for designs that aim to catch attention or show off creativity. You're in control, and that flexibility allows you to match your design's tone. Now let's pause for a second. Why even bother with rounded corners? Sharp edges can sometimes feel cold or rigid, especially when you want your design to feel welcoming or approachable. Rounded edges, on the other hand, are easier on the eyes. They create a softer, more inviting look. That's why you see them everywhere. App icons on your phone, profile pictures on social media, even modern websites. Rounded corners feel smoother, friendlier, and way more polished. For Shopify store owners, this is a great way to make product images or banners feel more aligned with current design trends. Here's a quick design tip. If you're using multiple images in the same layout, keep the corner style consistent. If one photo has hard edges and another has soft corners, it throws the whole thing off balance. But if they all share the same rounding, suddenly your design looks intentional and professional. Consistency is key when creating a cohesive look, whether you're designing an email campaign, social media post, or your website. Another bonus of rounded corners. They can hide distractions. Let's say the edge of your photo has something awkward in the background, like a cluttered space or an object you don't want to highlight. Once you curve those corners, those distractions fade out, and the focus shifts back to what really matters in your image. It's like a built-in cleanup tool that helps your design stay neat and focused. And don't stress about making the wrong choice. Canva keeps this tool flexible. You can always go back, click on the photo again, adjust the slider, and change the roundness whenever you want. It's not permanent, so experiment as much as you like. This means you can tweak your designs as your vision evolves, without worrying about locking yourself into a decision too soon. So, quick recap. Click your image, find the corner rounding option, drag the slider, and stop where it feels right. That's literally it. In less than 10 seconds, you can give any picture softer edges and make your whole design look instantly more modern. It's a small detail, but in design, the small details are what separate beginner-looking work from something that feels polished and high-end. And now you've got this trick up your sleeve every time you're working in Canva. So go ahead, try it out on your next project, round those corners, and watch how much smoother your designs instantly feel. Whether you're working on a product photo for your store, a banner, or a social media post, rounded corners will make your designs stand out in the best way possible.